show the one. Please show that the one where I was holding the mirror. Oh my God. Sorry.
He's trying to get out of your way.
Zippers or jewelry. So
come on, you guys. Oh, you want to hold him? Okay. It's your turn. It's okay. We'll wait.
No, don't you.
It's heavy compared to clothes.
Oh yeah. Oh, I missed it. There we go.
That thing's heavy.
No earrings either, Andy.
Sure.
Get a good picture before and after.
It's already going.
Just to show you the earrings. When she pops in earrings,
Huh?
I've had piercings for 37 years since college, and when we do the Pirate Festival, one time I'll wear them, and I've had her pop a couple out, and I had one lady go, she can't get them out of my ear, and I said, she's already got it. It's not that she can't, she's already got it.
Isaac? What are you doing? Hey, Isaac. Isaac, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm just gonna bite your face. Yeah, you do. It's like a thousand times worse as Chloe.
Hi. What are you doing?
This is the gentle giant. These are the big bad boys. They're the most docile, most powerful, the most docile. I mean, it's like a golden retriever with wings. That's the only way I can tell people. It's like having a golden retriever with wings. In fact, her and my golden retriever play on the floor together, and she goes after his toes, and then they run around the floor together and batter back and forth.
Oh. Hi. 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 What are you doing?
If you put your hand down, I can get a picture.
Hi.
This is getting tiring.
They're getting tired now. They were a little more rambunctious.
Stop whenever you want.
Should I take a picture? Because I want to